Hey guys, welcome back to Learn English with Namrita. But today, we're not gonna learn anything. I'm just here on a random Monday afternoon to give you a simple introduction about myself because why not? Yeah. So, I'm Namrita and I'm from India and I've been teaching English for over 5 years now. And in the last 2 years, I've been a professional TEFL teacher and I've been teaching on many online platforms for over 200 students with around 2200 plus teaching hours. And after a lot of considerations, dilemmas and confusions, I'm finally here on YouTube to create content which I never thought I would be doing, but it's still nice, I think. Only if you people make it possible for me. But yeah, a little more about myself is that I love English language from a very young age, most of which I owe it to my school teacher who kicked a spark in me towards this language. I love English a lot. I can express myself better in English, even better than in my mother tongue, which is an irony, but I don't mind. But that's what a language does to you. Okay, when you fall in love with a language, you fall in love with it completely. And if you are able to express yourself in the best possible way through that language, I think that's beautiful. I love reading books, I love watching movies, I love learning new languages as well. I know around 5 to 6 languages, so I pretty much know how difficult it is to learn a language, but I also know how to make it easy. This particular channel is all about that. I will be posting videos where you can adapt a certain learning method to make yourself language beautiful and enhancing. In this particular channel, I'm going to be teaching a lot of simple ways to get better with your grammar in English, because grammar is always the foundation. And let's see, I'm trying to explore a lot of things right now. There are a lot of things on my head, but it's a very, very random video, guys. And I hope to meet you all through the comment section, and I hope to see that I go somewhere with this meaningful. And yeah, that's that about me. Is if there is anything else that you want to ask me, you can ask me. And this is the particular place that I usually sit and teach my students, but today I am here trying to create content, and which is really exciting for me because it's very new, and something new is always good. Barney Stinson rule, if you know, you know. Yeah, so gonna meet you in several other videos, and that's it about me. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.